everyone, this is MI1, which is also called as MI X9 Pro, and it contains, the configuration of this one is 5.72 inch display and 4 GB RAM, 64 GB internal memory, 16 MP front camera, back camera, and 8 MP front camera, 4G mobile. Okay. Now this video is unboxing of this model. Okay. So this is the phone. It comes with a cover, screen protector, and seems like the back side is this is the 16 MP camera plus fingerprint reader, and it comes with a flashlight also. Now other items in the boxes are it has an holder, unlocking pin, SIM card pin, headphones, charger cable, Type-C. It's Type-C actually. Okay. And the original charger also comes with that one. This is the phone. We'll be removing the screen protection cover now. Here you go, guys. MI1. End-to-end display. Android 7.0. And we will go to settings and show you the configuration. Okay, here you go. 4 GB available memory is 60.14 GB out of 64 GB, and it has Android 7.0. Okay, now it's a 4G device, and if you go to camera, it has a 13 MP camera. Actually it is 16 MP camera, yes, 16 MP camera, and with the digital zoom and everything, HDR available also, and the front camera is 8 MP. Okay, the configuration is very good. Scanning the finger, and finally you can, like this, you can have the finger to be set up. Okay, these are the major features of this devices. MI1.